UGC NET Paper 2 Yoga really requires a clear strategy that combines syllabus coverage, smart study resources, and a very disciplined practice. Here is a step-by-step guide how you should get started and how you should proceed. Firstly, you have to understand the exam pattern. UGC NET exam consists of two papers, that is paper 1 which is for 100 marks and paper 2 which is for 200 marks. So our yoga is for 200 marks, paper 2. Firstly, we have to analyze the syllabus. I request all of you to download the syllabus from UGC website. So there are 10 major units, that is fundamentals of yoga, history and various other schools of yoga are covered in this. Yogic text part 1, that is principal Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita and Yoga Vasishta. Next comes the third unit, that is yogic text, again part 2, which covers Yoga Upanishads, completely Yoga Upanishads. Fourth unit is Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Next, fifth one is Hatha Yoga text. Sixth one is Allied Sciences, that is general psychology, human anatomy and physiology, diet and nutrition covered in Allied Sciences. Seventh unit is Yoga and Health. Eighth one is Therapeutic Yoga. Ninth, Applications of Yoga. 10th one is Practical Yoga, which covers Shatkarma, Asana, Pranayama, Mudra, Bandha, Dhyana and Surya Namaskara. So these are the 10 fundamental or 10 units which is given in UGC NET syllabus. So firstly, what you have to do here is you have to just go through each unit in depth, topic by topic. So if you take first unit, that is fundamentals of yoga, history and various schools of yoga, you have history and development of yoga with meaning and definition, misconception, aim and objective of yoga. Likewise, you will have every unit described. You have to go through it in depth, one by one. So here what you will do, you have to analyze your strength and weaknesses. You have to see which unit is easier for you to cover, which unit is difficult. You have to split that. Once you split it into easier units and difficult units, then you have to start studying one by one. I suggest you to take the easier one first, and then the next unit should be a difficult one. So alternatively, one easy, one difficult, one easy, one difficult. So it doesn't stress you more. If you take all the difficult ones at once to study, you will be totally confused, because here we have two units, that is yoga text 1 and yoga text 2. In this you have 10 Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Hatha Yoga Pradipika, all these texts, majority of the texts are covered. And in yoga text 2 you have 10 Yoga Upanishads itself. So make sure that you don't pile all these together, you divide it. So history, definitions and all that comes under first unit is quite easy, because you all have done all these in your master degree. So it will be easier for you. So start up with that. Then go to the little difficult version of Upanishads, or you can go with Bhagavad Gita. So cover that. Then again come back to a easier version, that is therapeutic yoga or practical yoga, some units like this. So please don't stress yourself with the same or related kind of topics. Don't do yoga text 1 and yoga text 2 one after the other, so that you get confused what is covered in which Upanishad. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say you. So once you clear these units, just go through the previous year question paper. Try to solve the questions which are related to these topics. So once you cover one unit, go through, analyze the PYQs, answer the PYQs and make sure that you are confident with the unit. You can make use of many textbooks available for Hatha Yoga. You have Hatha Yoga Pradipika, again Geranda Samhita, Patanjali Yoga Sutra is covered in many texts. Actually, you get many books for that. But I suggest you to prepare your own notes. Make your own short notes from wherever you analyze the topic, wherever you read, or wherever you learn it from. You have to prepare your own notes. Make a short notes in your understandable language, and you have to have regular revision practice. So try to realize it, try to do it with some mind maps and tables, so it would be easier for you to study. You can make flowcharts, or you can make mnemonics for yamani yama koshas and all. You can make mnemonics. So next question comes like how to schedule it. So first and second month, by within 2 months you have to complete 50% of the syllabus with notes, and you have to do the PYQs related to that. The third and fourth month you have to complete the whole syllabus and start attending the mock test. In fifth month, if you have time, because it is if you are doing it in December cycle and it is already July, August, September, October, November, you have only 4 months. Within that you have to finish your syllabus, you have to revise it, and you have to attend PYQs and MCQs. So it helps you to boost your confidence if at all you attend PYQ and MCQ questions. So try doing it before December. And I suggest you to remember the yogic terms which is in Sanskrit only rather than in English, because majority of the time the question in English also carries the Sanskrit word itself. So remember the Sanskrit terminology which is related to yoga. So I hope you understood the strategy, how to do it. If you need any help, you can comment me below. Feel free to ask any doubts. Attend the classes regularly, cover the syllabus within 2 to 3 months, enjoy your UGC NET exam.